Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syarul Azizul Bakri. I'm from BA 144B. So today I'm going to explain a little bit about MGT300 from chapter 1 until chapter 5. The 5th chapter is business driven technology, identifying competitive advantage, strategic initiative for implementing competitive advantage, measuring the success of strategic initiative, and also organizational structures that support strategic initiatives. So let's start. So basically, information technologies impacts on business operations. Organizations typically operate by functional areas or functional silos. So functional areas are interdependent, which is sales and marketing, operation and logistics, accounting and finance, and also human resources. Information technology is a field concerned with the use of technology in managing and processing information, and also an important enabler of business success. And also when beginning to learn about information technologies, it is important to us to understand, to know about data, information, business intelligence, IT resources, and also IT cultures. So data is raw facts that describe the characteristic of an event. Information is data converted into a meaningful and useful context. Business intelligence is application and technologies that are used to support decision-making efforts. So in IT resources, people, information technology, and also information are linked together. Okay, so organizational information cultures include information functional culture, information sharing culture, information inquiring culture, and also information discovery culture. So we're done for chapter 1, so we're moving to the next chapter, which is chapter 2. So in chapter 2, we're going to learn about competitive advantage. So to survive and thrive, an organization must create a competitive advantage, which is competitive advantage and also first mover advantage. So competitive advantage is a product or service that organization's customer place a greater value on than similar offerings from a competitor. And first mover advantage occurs when an organization can significantly impact its market share by being first to market with a competitive advantage. So 3 common tools used in industry to analyze and develop competitive advantage includes Porter 5 Force Model, Porter's 3 generic strategies, and also value chains. So we move into the next chapter. So in this chapter, we're going to learn about strategic initiative. Organizations can undertake high-profile strategic initiatives including supply chain management, customer relationship management, business process re-engineering, and also enterprise resources planning. So supply chain management involves the management of information flows between and among stages in a supply chain to maximize total supply chain effectiveness and profitability. For customer relationship management, it involves managing all aspects of a customer's relationship with an organization to increase customer loyalty and retention and organization's profitability. Business process is a standardized set of activities that accomplish a specific task, such as processing a customer's orders. So business process reengineering, BPR, is the analysis and redesign of workflow within and between enterprise. The purpose of BPR is to make all business processes best in class. Enterprise resources planning. So enterprise resources planning integrates all departments and functions throughout an organization into a single IT system so that employees can make decisions by viewing enterprise work, information, and all business operation. Keyword for ERP is enterprise. So in chapter 4, we're going to learn about measuring information technology success. We have key performance indicator, which is to measure that are tied to business driver. Metrics are detailed measures that fit KPIs. Performance metrics fall into the nebulous area of business intelligence. That is neither technology or business center but requires input from both IT and business professional. Efficiency and effectiveness. So efficiency IT metric is measure the performance of the IT system itself, including throughput, speed, and availability. Effectiveness IT metric is measure the impact IT has on business processes and activities including customer satisfaction, conversion rates, and sell-through increases. So basically, efficiency focus on the extent to which an organization is using its resources in an optimal way, doing things right, and effectiveness is focuses on how well an organization achieving its goals and objective, which is doing the right things. Types of efficiency IT metrics. Efficiency IT metric focus on technology and include throughput, transaction speed, system availability, information accuracy, web traffic, and also responses time. Types of effectiveness IT metrics. Effectiveness IT metric focus on an organization's goals, strategies, and objective and include accessibility, customer satisfaction, conversation reach, and also financial. So finally, it's the last chapter in my video, which is chapter 5, organizational structure. So organizational structures employees must work closely together to develop strategy and initiative that create competitive advantage. Ethics and security are two fundamentals building blocks that organization must base their business upon. Safety rules and responsibilities. Information technology is a relatively a new functional area, having only been around formally for around 40 years. And reason IT related strategic position, which is Chief Information Officer, Chief Technology Officer, Chief Security Officer, and also Chief Knowledge Office. Chief Information Officer oversees all use of IT and ensure the strategic alignment of IT with business goals and objectives. Technology Officer is responsible for ensuring the throughput, speed, accuracy, ability, and reliability of IT. Chief Security Officer, responsible for ensuring the security of IT system. Chief Privacy Officer, responsible for ensuring the ethical and legal use of information. And the last one is Chief Knowledge Office, responsible for collecting, maintaining, distributing the organization knowledge. Organizational fundamentals, ethics, and security. Ethics and security are two fundamental building blocks that organizations must base their business on to be successful. Ethics. Ethics is the principle and standard that guide our behavior toward other people. While security is the protection of information from accidental or intentional misuse by persons inside or outside an organization.